यूट्यूब चैनल प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, अज मैं अपनी वीडियो विच क्लास 8th का इंग्लिश का सैंपल पेपर हल करन जा रही है। पिछली वीडियो च मैं सैंपल पेपर 1 सॉल्व किया सी, या सैंपल पेपर 2 सॉल्व करन जा रहे हैं। सैक्शन ए रीडिंग स्किल्स। रीड द पैसेज एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो। One day a wonderful plate made of gold fell from heaven into the court of a temple. The following words were written on it: a gift from heaven to him who loved mankind the best. The priest of the temple invited people to the temple and told them about the gift from heaven. Everybody claimed that they loved mankind the best. Then each one got up one by one and narrated their own kind deeds. But as soon as they touched the plate, it turned into lead. The richest man in the village got up and spoke about his big charity, but as soon as he touched the plate, it turned into lead. A poor farmer was also present there. He did not know about the plate. He sat in a corner quietly. The priest called him to touch the plate. He bowed to the plate and touched the plate. It shone more brightly. The priest awarded the farmer the plate as his love for mankind was true. First step, where did the plate of gold fall from? The plate of gold fell from heaven. तो इसका right option C, heaven. Second है, gift is for. Gift is for who loves mankind. B is the right option. C, who claimed to love mankind. किसने बोला था लव करना है मैनकाइंड को? लोगों ने। एवरीबडी मतलब पीपल क्लेम्ड। फोर्थ है, व्हेन डिड प्लेट शाइन ब्राइटली? आंसर इज, प्लेट कब शाइन करनी शुरू करी थी? जब उसको पुअर फार्मर ने टच किया था। तो एज द फार्मर टच्ड इट इज राइट ऑप्शन। फिफ्थ है, विच वर्ड इन द पैसेज मीन ए प्लेस ऑफ वर्शिप? प्लेस ऑफ वर्शिप कौन सा है? टेम्पल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, लुक एट द पोस्टर एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो। ये पिक्चर्स दी है, इससे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देना। द मेन पर्पस ऑफ दिस पोस्टर इज, मेन क्या है पर्पस इसका? सेव अर्थ। बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन। व्हाट आर द टर्निंग इनटू डेजर्ट? ग्रासलैंड। ग्रासलैंड क्या यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है ऑलरेडी, टर्निंग इनटू डेजर्ट ग्रासलैंड is the right option. What should we do to the save the earth? Join the green movement is the right answer. Fourth, who has issued the poster? Who has issued the poster? Secretary. Secretary is the right option. Fifth is find out the synonym of fertilizer. Manure is the right. The following conversation carefully and answers the questions that follow. Mom, Tom, look at your shoes. How dirty they are. You must clean them. Tom, oh mom, I just cleaned them yesterday. Mom, they are dirty now. You must clean them again. Tom, I don't want to clean them today. Even if I clean them today, they will get dirty again tomorrow. Mom, all right then. Tom, Mom, give me something to eat please. Mom, you had your breakfast in the morning. Tom, and you had lunch at school. Tom, I am hungry again. Mom, oh hungry, but if I give you something to eat today, you will be hungry again tomorrow. So I should not give you anything. Question, what did the mother ask Tom to do? क्या बोला था उन्होंने? कि अपने शूज़ को क्लीन करो। देखो अपने शूज़ को और इसको क्लीन करो। तो ए और बी ऑप्शन दोनों राइट है, यानी कि डी ऑप्शन सही आएगी, बोथ ए एंड बी। सेकेंड है, वाई डिड टॉम नॉट वॉन्ट टू क्लीन हिज शूज़? एज दे वुड गेट डर्टी अगेन, क्योंकि उसने बोला कि ये दोबारा से गंदे हो जाएंगे, इसलिए मैं दोबारा नहीं करूँगा। थर्ड, व्हाट डिड टॉम आस्क हिज मदर टू? टॉम ने क्या बोला था अपनी मम्मा को देने के लिए? उन्होंने बोला था कि मुझे कुछ खाने को दे दो, समथिंग टू ईट। बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन। फोर्थ है, व्हाई डिड द मदर नॉट गिव टॉम एनीथिंग टू ईट? क्यों नहीं दिया? क्योंकि उसने भी Why did the mother not give Tom anything to eat? Because he had his breakfast, he had his lunch, because he will be hungry again, because he disobeyed her, क्योंकि उसको दोबारा भूख लग गई थी। फोर्थ है, give the synonym of filthy. Dirty is the right option. B literature. Answer any three of the following question. Question number 1 है, what was the cruel announcement made by the despotic leader? Answer is, The despotic leader made the announcement to pull all aged people to death. Second question है, how did Harry help the sick? Answer is, Harry gave a chapati to the hungry sick. Third है, where is Chandigarh situated? What is it known for? Answer is, Chandigarh is situated at the foot of Shivalik Hills. It is known for its rose garden. Fourth question is, who was Marco Polo? Answer is, Marco Polo was a merchant and an adventurer. Fifth is, which puppy was chosen by the little boy and why? Answer is, he chose the lame puppy because only he could empathize with its condition. Now fifth है, give the meaning of any three of the following words in Punjabi. ये वर्ड्स दिए, इनके मीनिंग लिखने हैं. जर्नी यात्रा, मेलोडियस सुरीला, इंटेंशन इरादा, मर्चेंट व्यापारी, डिसिपल चेला. सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन इज, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ सूटेबल वर्ड्स. श्री गुरु अर्जुन देव जी वॉज डैश गुरु ऑफ द सिक्स. आंसर आएगा फिफ्थ गुरु. मार्क पोलो सेट ऑन हिज फर्स्ट वॉयज एट द एज ऑफ 17. Marco Polo visited the holy city of Jerusalem. Seventh है, make sentences from the following words. Injured, abolish, excited, sermon, delight. Injured का make sentence है, he is badly injured in accident. Abolish, the government abolished the death penalty. Excited, I am very excited to join new school. Sermon, he preached a sermon on the importance of kindness. Delight, I am delighted to meet you. Question number 8. Match the words in column A with same meaning in column B. Intention, motive, assured, guaranteed. Reckless, careless, worth, important. Ninth, read the following stanza and answer any two questions. Familiar friend, these timeless tales have been with me since I was 10, and as I turn their pages once again, I feel and love their old refrain. Name the poem and its poet. Poem है We Who Love Books and poet है Ruskin Bond. What do you understand by the phrase timeless tale? Answer is, it means stories of books are alive for all ages. Third question, how does the poet feel when he touches and feels the pages of this book? Answer is, he feels love for the old refrain. आंसर आगे 10th क्वेश्चन है, आंसर एनी टू ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. प्यारे विद्यार्थी, अगर मेरी वीडियो पसंद आए तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ डू दीज ग्रेट सन्स सर्व देयर मदरलैंड? आंसर, दे गार्ड द बॉर्डर ऑफ देयर मदरलैंड ऑल टाइम. नंबर 2, व्हाट इज द कंडीशन ऑफ द बुक्स? आंसर, बुक्स आर ओल्ड एंड worn out. Their binding is also torn. Third, what happened to the single-use plastic after it is thrown? Where does it ends up? Answer is, we use plastic water bottle, cold drink, etc. C, vocabulary, grammar, translation and composition. Vocabulary. One word substitution. A man who does not know how to read and write, illiterate. Give the synonym of large, big. Antonym of absent, present. Add the right prefix or suffix paid. एक prefix आ गया prepaid और suffix आ गया unpaid. Write the meaning of following phrasal verb. Look down to think of. Make a sentence of idiom. Turn over a new leaf. He has really turned over a new leaf. 12th, do as directed. Read the sentences. State which type of sentences. Please help me. Imperative sentences. Second is, choose the correct option to determine which part of speech the underlined word belongs to. I play football. Play क्या है? Verb. Third is, fill in the blanks with suitable determinant. I have dash work to do, much work to do. Fourth is, underline the helping verb and encircle the main verb. They have क्या है? Helping verb है, उसको underline. Participated main verb है तो उसको circle. Fifth is, state whether the verb in the following sentence is transitive or intransitive. She has invited her friends. Transitive. Sixth is, fill in the blanks with the appropriate degrees of the adjective given in the bracket. Gold is dash than silver, more expensive. Seventh, fill in the blanks with the appropriate non-finite form. You need not to say anything. Pick up the grunt in the following sentence. Stealing is a crime. Stealing. 9. Select the correct verb from the bracket to fill the blank. All the players in my team have done well. 10th, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. She always remember my birthday. Change the voice. Mohan did not sing a song. A song was not sung by Mohan. Whether the underlined word is an adjective or an elegantly. Elegantly क्या है? Adverb. 13 है letter writing. Write a letter to your friend informing him about your brother's marriage and inviting him. Write an application to your principal asking for exemption from letter. We are writing letter exemption from school. The principal, यहाँ पे स्कूल का नेम आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे सिटी का नेम आ जाएगा. Sir, I am student of class 8A of your school. Our bi-monthly exams are starting from November 1st 2000. आपने यहाँ पे year डालना है, यहाँ पे date डालनी है. Sir, I always stand first in all the exams. My sister's wedding is falling on November 5th. कोई भी डेट यहाँ पे मेंशन कर सकते हो. As I am the only helping hand of my father, I can't take the exam this time. This time, I request you to exempt me from the examination. I shall be very thankful to you. Thanking you, yours obediently. आगे next 14th question है. Write a paragraph on our school library using the hints or story writing destiny of a gardener had a donkey to load his flowers on him and go around to sell them. One day the donkey thought that his mother made him overwork. So he went to the Lord and said, "My present master makes me overwork, so please change my master." The Lord sent him to a potter. His condition was even worse there. The potter loaded earthen pot on him and went around selling them in the market. Being tired, the donkey again went to the Lord and requested him to change his master again. But now Lord was very angry with him. He sent him to a butcher. The butcher saw the donkey and said, "Your skin will yield good leather." Listening to the butcher, the donkey wept for his foolishness. Moral: wherever you are at present is the best place for you. 15th, फिर नोटिस राइटिंग है. योर स्कूल इज ऑर्गेनाइजिंग ए ट्रिप टू दिल्ली. यू आर द सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द टूर. ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी ड्राफ्ट एंड नोटिस. और न्यूज़ हेडलाइन. पीएम लॉन्च न्यूज़ एजुकेशन पॉलिसी. इसको हम लिख देंगे, हेडिंग डालनी हो तो एजुकेशन पॉलिसी. बी है अर्थक्वेक रॉक्स नेपाल. अ मैसिव अर्थक्वेक हिट्स नेपाल. 16, ट्रांसलेट एनी टू ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस इनटू पंजाबी और हिंदी. अवॉइड बैड कंपनी. बुरी संगत तो बचो. आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल टुडे. मैं ठीक महसूस नहीं कर रहा. वेयर विल यू गो नाउ. तुसी हुण कित्थे जावोगे. 17, ट्रांसलेट एनी टू ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस इन इंग्लिश. मैनू तुहाडे ते माण है. आई प्राउड ऑफ यू. तुहाडा पक्का मित्र कौन है. हु इज़ योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड क्वेश्चन मार्क. मैं अपना जन्मदिन मनाया. आई सैलीब्रेटेड माई बर्थडे फुल स्टॉप. प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, जेकर मेरी वीडियो पसंद आए तो मेरे चैनल ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ, मेरी वीडियो ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰੋ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੀ ਅਗਲੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੀ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜਲਦੀ ਮਿਲ ਸਕੇ.